Hello G-Accon users. In this video I'm going to show you how to create the dashboard which you already created for one users for other clients. Alright, so first of all, hopefully you know how to create the KPI dashboards, and for this reason we help you. This is our wiki, G-Accon.services, and when you scroll and select KPI dashboards, those templates or already ready to use packages which can be set up within 10-15 minutes. So for example, let's assume KPI dashboard already connected and you finalize dashboards, you create, maybe you use our dashboards, or maybe you create your own dashboards for one organization. So what you will do if you need to create the same package for other client of yours. So this dashboard has 8 different templates, but let's say in your case you might have 20 different templates. So what you will start? So you will start this copying of your file. As easy as you go in and select file, you make a copy and you create copy of KPI dashboards, and I will put different name and I will put it for client number 2, right? So this is your second client. I create a copy. So now what's happening internally, you're not only copying your values, you copy all your graphics, queries, formula, so everything get copied but templates. So in order to apply templates for a new client, what you're going to do, you will come back to original KPI package or original file. You select, let's say, first template, profit and loss reports. That's your first template. Let's say you put modification, and what you're going to do, you edit the template and then you save your template in cloud. And this is how you're going to achieve it. You see 3 icons. You select create cloud template and you will put some meaningful name. So let's say in my case it will be profit and loss, and I will put baseline, right? So then I'm going to copy and put this as a description, and I will save it. So in the same manner, I can select balance sheet, and then I can nicely refresh my balance sheet tab. And now you will see balance sheet report or template. Again, I will save my template in cloud. I will put balance sheet report baseline, for example, and I will save it. I put description and I will save it. All right. So now I will move to my new file, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to select exactly the same tab, P&L report. So now you can have values from your second organization, right? And before you apply new template or P&L template for this specific client, you will come to G-Accon for QuickBooks and you select needed client. So basically, in my case, I will choose the client who doesn't have much data, but you will grab the concept. Let's say I move from G-Accon LLC to Business ABC, right? I select this client, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull project profit and loss template from my repository. And where is my repository? My repository under G-Accon for QuickBooks, load cloud template workspace. This is a place where you save all your templates. And it's not only a repository to save the templates, it's actually a place where you can share templates. So I will type profit. I put capital, so I should be able to find it. It's right here. So before I load and execute, I can easily share this template, this somebody within my team, for example. It can be whole team, or I can share this template, this specific person, by typing email address. But in my case, I'm opening the template and I'm going to execute it. So before that, if you want to clean up data and don't have leftover values, you can highlight your P&L and delete values, or actually you can remove your formatting, right, and start from beginning. So this is this month's P&L, and I will just click execute. So if you do have 20 different tabs, 20 different reports, okay, you have to reapply your templates. And your final step will be set up automation. So I have some data, okay, P&L. So this is data for my ABC company. So the same way, I will repeat balance sheet report. I will highlight data and delete it. And then I will remove my formatting, right, to have nice and clean tab. Then I will go to G-Accon for QuickBooks, and then I will move my balance sheet from workspace, from my repository. So I will come here, and my balance sheet will be, I can actually search it, balance sheet, right? This is my balance sheet baseline, and I open this template before I execute it. So you can do any modification at this point. So, and now I can double check in the change pool settings. It won't create the new tab. Or in my case, so it's a nice options here. I can add white label of my client number too. So, and I execute. So basically now I apply two templates to my new dashboard, right, for my second client. And basically, as soon as you're finishing each and every your report, that will give you a whole package. See, you can put logo of your client here. So you can finish up your dashboard for second client. So again, your client number 3. So don't forget, you come to the file, you make a copy, and you apply the template which you already have in your workspace. So, and your next step will be, as soon as you set up all your templates, you can put additional templates, right? You can remove different templates. You can check, how your dashboard works. It's still good. Different margins here. And your next step will be automation, right? Don't forget that. You go to automation, you create workflow, you set up scheduling piece, you will tell how often you want to refresh your reports, and your next step, you add all your templates. So let's say I will put KPI refresh, and I will put daily at 6 a.m. maybe. So if I put 6 a.m., it will be some meaningful data here, 6 a.m. My next step, I will add my templates. So in my case, I just create P&L and balance sheet. From the available templates, I select them and move them to the right side. And then I click create. This is how you set up automation. All right. This is very easy and straightforward way how to make a copy of your file, which has all your queries, formula, dashboards, and then you reapply your templates, set up automation, and it shouldn't take no more than 20 minutes per client, even if you have 20 or 25 different reports. Thank you so much. You know how to find us. We will be happy to have your feedback. Send us email at support@econ.services. Thank you. Bye.